right, so today we're just going to review what we've done all week, Isaiah. We're just going to be reviewing what we've done all week. So it should be simple, okay? There's a little bit of following directions, okay? And on the back side, you have to do the opposite. Okay, but today what I want you to do is if it gives you directions, I want you to write above it the XY notation, and that's what we call it. We call it XY notation. So you should have in your notes what X wants you to do and what Y tells you to do, right? So if we're moving 5 units left, you have a question? If we're moving 5 units left, that's going to be X what? Plus or minus 5? What does left tell us to do? Plus or minus? Minus 5. And then it says 4 units down. So that would be Y what? Plus or minus 4? Minus 4. So we're going to add that to all of the ones that have the words, okay? This is called XY notation, Matthew. And we're going to include that. We're just going to translate it. So I want you to understand either way, it means the same thing. So that when you take your test on translations, you're able to do it both ways. Okay? And write the rules. Okay. So we're just going to go ahead and do one together. So you will need a straight edge. So if you don't have one, grab one. So I need you guys to remember that as you move, you're going to relabel your new spot as prime, Matthew. So we're going to start with G, and we're going to go 5 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this becomes my G prime. We're going to do the same thing to all 3 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 units down, or 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this becomes I prime. Then we have H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's my H prime. Connect my points, and again, this is review. So you guys should already know how to do this. And you guys should be thinking, oh, Miss Carrillo's too slow. I'm ready to move on. Okay, so you have a translated 5 units left, 4 units down prime figure whose size and shape did not change, just its location. Right? Any questions on this? This is just review. Okay, so make sure that you, for all of these on this side, you do my XY notation. Okay, if you want to do that first, not a big problem. All right. Flip your papers over. Look at number 7. Flip your papers over and look at number 7. I need everybody's attention. All right, so this time it's in XY notation already. I want you to tell me in words what it's telling you to do. So if it says X plus 2, what are we doing? X plus 2 tells me to move left or right. Which one? So we're going to go right. How many units? 2 units. Y minus 2 tells me to do what? And then down, how many units? 2 units. So I want you to write that in words. I want you to translate the XY notation into words for the backside before you do your translation. Any questions on what you have to do? If you use your time wisely, you should be able to be done before the bell rings for for third period.